Hi everyone, welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today I have a special edition box from Sophie and Toffee. This is their Disney Tsum Tsum box. I pre-ordered this a few months ago and it finally came today. I do not know what is inside at all, so I'm super excited to share this opening with you. Let's start by taking a look at the box. It is so pretty. Oh my goodness, look at all the little Tsum Tsums. They're wearing little Santa hats and holding little presents. It is so cute. Alright, now let's open it up. Oh my gosh, look at the design on this box. This is a keeper for sure. It's so cool that they put the time to design the box itself. So here we got the little tissue wrapped package with a Tsum Tsum sticker on it. Here's a card. Disney Tsum Tsum, a collection by Sophie and Toffee. And here is a list of everything that comes in the box. Seems like we get a lot of items. Okay, so first item we have a piece of shaker film. This looks like it's just a little card. In here we got some Disney sprinkles. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh wow, look at the details of these. This is so cute. We have Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, we have Pooh Bear. Here's Chip and Dale. Is that Piglet? Oh, even Nemo. Oh my goodness, this is too cool. I think this one's Ursula. Oh wow, this is super nice. And here is Snow White. These would look so good in shakers. Next, we got some foam grips. So there's 6 of them. And oh, these are the cool types. So you can stick them onto your phone and then you can decorate the front. So we got 6 of these. Here's 4 iridescent hand strap keychains. These are super shiny. Next is our first silicone mold. Oh, these are little Japanese dangos, little snacks on a stick. So we have Elsa, Anna, and Olaf. This is so cool, look at that. And it is clear so we can use it with UV resin. This one is a little shaker mold. So it features Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse, we have Tinkerbell, and Sally. This mold features Alice, we have the Mad Hatter, we have Jack Skellington, down here we have Winnie the Pooh, here's Tigger and Eyore. Oh my goodness, these are so adorable. Okay, what's next? Oh, we got some pigment powders, a whole box of them. Oh my goodness. So there are 10 colors, 5 grams each, and just take a look at this. These colors are so bright. Oh, I love that. Next, we have a bottle of shaker oil. Oh, what a cute label. Here we have some resin. This is the 2-part resin, A and B. So the ratio is 1:1. Oh, look, we even got some UV resin. Here's some crystal LED UV resin. Not sure what the difference is. So it says here, for this bottle, you just use it with the small molds, and then the crystal LED resin, use it to dome. Okay, there's more. Oh look, here's a little mold with some Christmas designs. So there's a snowman, Christmas trees, presents, and some bells. Ooh, these are Christmas themed glitter and confetti. And that was the last item. Oh my goodness, look at the design on the bottom of the box. Alright, let's go ahead and try out the molds. So here is the shaker with Mickey and Minnie. We're going to color in the eyes first with some acrylic paint before we pour in the resin. Next, let's go ahead and mix our resin. Alright everyone, so it's been a day. Let's go ahead and demold. I'm really excited about these. Let's see. Here's Tinkerbell. Oh my goodness, this is really cute. Here is Mickey. And here is Minnie, but oh no, look, we got a gap there. So I don't know if we can actually fix that. But here's her red bow. And here is Sally. Okay. Here's the other set. Here is Jack, the Mad Hatter, Alice, here's Eyore, Pooh, no, this is Tigger, and Pooh. And here's the third mold. There's Elsa, Anna, and Olaf. And here's the back side. So what we're going to do is put the two pieces together like this. Now we're going to finish the pieces with some black. I'm going to color in the eyes. Alright everyone, so here's everything that we made today. So of the 4 shaker molds, these 2 didn't turn out well because we had these big gaps, so we couldn't close them and turn them into shakers. But I think the mold is still super cute. These 2 did turn out okay, and so I was able to put some filling in them and cover it with some film. And so these are now dry shakers. Over here we have the phone grip. And even though I do like the red and green, we couldn't really see a lot of the details. So as you can see here, even though I painted the nose and the eyes, a lot of the fine details is still lost. So I think next time what I'm going to do is actually paint the mold with some mica powder, and that way we can see a lot more of the details. And then this one is a 3D mold. I think black was not the right color for the eyes. However, it turned out super cute, and I think this would make a really cute keychain. So if you enjoyed this video so far, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!